what's going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and y'all, I'm back with another video. How y'all doing? Yeah, I got two things I want to share with y'all before I get into this Boxycharm unboxing. Y'all, the first thing first, support a sister. I'm supporting two sisters. They created their own company, Bessie Lashes. Y'all, it's BessieLashesCom. They magnetic lashes, y'all. I love these lashes. I got a y'all see, this was my first time wearing them. Okay guys, this is how it came packaged. It says Bezzie, and these colors, y'all, they are beautiful. This first one here is Go Getter, and this is what it looks like. It's cute. That is a pretty orange. And then it swatches like, it's like a glossy gloss. And then the second one we have here is called Finesse. And that is a pretty chocolate. That is so cute. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Swatched. And it's just a really pretty chocolatey brown. Perfect for the season, y'all. Perfect. And it's Bessie. And these are the lashes. Get out of here. And it's the Bessie Lashes Magnetic Lash Eyelashes Work. It's a kit, guys. It has step 1, apply magnetic eyeliner. Leave 2 to 3 minutes. Click the lashes in place. Oops. And this is the front. And this just fell out, y'all. It's like a little lash brush. Has a mirror up there, y'all. Look at that. That is so cute. Those are the lashes. And this is the cleansing oil. And then this is the eyelash glue. You know, the one that you put on. Think prior to. Now, the second thing I want to share with you guys, y'all, is this Garden and Glow ZZ Skin. Man, this stuff smells so good, y'all. I don't have on nothing today but powder, but I used it after the gym before I put on my powder this morning. And I don't do nothing but get on the treadmill. I ain't gonna make it seem like I be doing a lot, but girl, let me show y'all how this came packaged, and you can find this at ZZSkin.com. You know I'm sticking a little video, right? Because I'm in love with the vlogs. Guys, is what I have. This is how this spray came packaged in this nice ZZ Skin packaging. It was inside of this plastic bag, and it came with a towel, y'all, and it's got ZZ on it. Straight in my gym bag is where it went. And y'all, here is the product. This I used today after I got out the gym, y'all. I was on a treadmill. I was working hard. Man, I got in the dry sauna and out of there, showered, sprayed my face. This is so refreshing, and it has so many good ingredients in it. So I'm putting this ingredients list up so you guys can, you know, maybe get a quick screenshot. And if you're interested, check out ZZSkin.com. Y'all, put all the information below. Okay guys, the first box we're gonna get into is my last month's box, and if I'm not mistaken, I did this in the last video, and somebody's like, girl, that's what they say, September. I know, I wasn't here when it came. So y'all know when I open it, I'm opening it with y'all. But this is September box. I think this is, yeah, September premium box. And then the small box is my October base box, okay? And just to let y'all know what I got, I'm pretty sure y'all saw this everywhere. BTS was the theme. I didn't see it nowhere. I was working 12-hour shifts, 6 days a week. Okay. So let's get in here and see what I got. I'll run through this real quick because y'all probably already saw it. And I don't know if everybody got all the same stuff, or if you don't want to see it, you can always, you know, speed to the October box. Okay. Okay. The first thing I got in here is the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows, which I'm happy to get this. I didn't buy any of these, and this says Rose 4. Oh, these are tiny. I probably would have been really talking because they look bigger. Oh, this is cute. These are the shades. Okay, now I got to get one to snap to it with some darker shades just because I got this. Let me put that in my cart. Y'all, this is Sephora haul coming tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to try to get that up tomorrow. But yeah, I like this little Fenty Snap Shadow. It's cute. It's cute, compact, and easy to travel with. So, but now I gotta get one to match it, just so to have a snap buddy. Okay, the next thing I got in here is, oh, did I tell y'all the price? What did I do with the ticket? I'm so excited getting in this box, y'all. I be waiting on Boxycharm, but this price got me. Okay, I'm gonna talk about that. It said Snap Shadow was $25. This next thing is a Honey Trick or Treat lip balm. Ain't that what I say? Yeah, Trick or Treat lip balm. They were getting ready early for Halloween. And this is in September box. And it says, how much was this lip balm? $23. Let's see what it looked like. Put it over here. Okay. It don't look like nothing, but it's real thick, and it don't, I guess it's just a balm. It's just no real shine, but just conditioner. Berry balm with natural tint. Okay. Alright, it feels like a thick Vaseline with some berry color on it. How about that? So it'll be moisturizing to the lips, I'm sure. Okay, the next thing I got in here, Laura Mercier. Girl, I was shocked to see that. Okay, wait a minute. Laura Mercier, that's what it says. Let's see. Laura Mercier Balancing Foaming Cleanser. Foaming cleanser that gently yet effectively removes makeup. Well, what you say? Okay. Gel. Okay, it says it's a foam, but it's a gel. I need a new cleanser, so I probably don't if I go through all them boxes of skincare I got in there. I probably really don't need one, but who don't want no Laura Mercier? Let me see what this look like on the back of my hand. Oh, okay. Feel like a cream. Okay. I guess it foam up when you activate it with water. I'm happy. I am happy. Ain't no crown sadness about that. I'm happy with that. Need to use my little Z tab to get that off of there. Whew. Okay. Okay. Did I say how much it was? Oh, $30. And the next thing I have here, Complex Culture. I guess this is, I only ever got these in my Ipsy premium. Is that what it was? My Ipsy, the $25 box from Ipsy. So I guess now that Ipsy and Box it up combined, I'll get these brushes here, which I do like the brushes. And it says this brush is the Sonic Power Tool. What? Complex Culture Bar Facial Massager. Oh, I thought it was a brush. A Sonic Power Tool delivers modern facial massage to increase blood flow. Okay, I thought this was going to be a Complex Culture brush because I got so many of those brushes. I'm trying to find one to show y'all. In my Ipsy, when I was subscribed to Ipsy, like here's the one right here. This is the Complex Culture brush. So I thought it was going to be, it's dirty. I don't pay no attention to that. I thought it was going to be another brush. But this says it's a facial massager. Well, I guess I need to put batteries in it. Girl, child, I don't know. I don't know. I guess I first got to figure out how to use this thing. Yeah, I got to put batteries in it. Okay, I got some in there. I just don't have any in here. But I'll let you guys know. I'll let y'all know how that works out for you, girl. And how much was this thing? Did I say how much this was? Yeah, $58. I remember I did say that. Sorry about that, y'all. And the next thing I have here is Blue Tansy. Oh, I like Herbivore. I love Herbivore. This is $48. It says a true natural mask that gently clarifies skin with BHAs from white willow bark, few enzymes, along with aloe and Blue Tansy essential oils. It says it's $48. Soothes the skin appearance of redness and irritation. Okay. Ooh. It don't look blue, but that's what it said. That's what it said. Okay. I'll put this on my little nightstand for a night mask and see how this worked tonight. But I love Herbivore products. So I'll probably like that. I'll probably like that. Okay, and the last thing I got in this box is, it looks like a milk and honey highlight palette. Who is this by? Girl, let me see. A highlight palette. Oh, Beauty Bakery. Okay. Well, I don't think I ever heard of this palette. Milk and honey. It says it was $38. Beauty Bakery come through. Ooh. Oh. Okay. That's what it looks like. I don't know. I'm not a lot into highlighting because my bad skin texture don't allow me to be, but I want to see what this one right here up to. I chose the wrong one, y'all. That was a gold ball. Ooh. Okay. I'm glistening now. Y'all gonna be looking at me like a little glow ball, and I'm studying putting it on, Lord Jesus. Ooh. Okay, let me fix it. Like I said, I don't have anything with powder, so. That gold is really gold. I did that. So it's a really highlighter. Okay, I'll see you. But Beauty Bakery, I hadn't seen anything from Beauty Bakery in a while. So, okay, I done talked enough. Let's get over here and see what's in this October Boxycharm base box. I wonder, is it gonna reflect, you know, the price increase, the products quality, age and stuff increase as well. Okay, it says Spellbound. Let's see. And we got another one of those new cards that just has information about the drop shop for October 11th. That was 2 days ago. I don't know how long it's lasting. I'm not interested anyway. Not buying all that stuff. Okay, the first thing I got lashes last month, Boxy, but I'm really on these Bessie lashes now, because girl, I can pull these off and put them back on. Say if I go somewhere and I come home, don't think I'm going nowhere, I done laid my lashes over in that little container, girl, I can grab them and put them right back on and ain't got to go through all that gluing. I like these lashes, I'm telling y'all. Today my first day wearing them, but the cleanup, okay, we ain't talking about the lashes. The first thing I got in here is these Cameron Antique Beauty. I think that's what that says. I don't think the light gonna let y'all see. Oh, there it is. The name of them. Antique Beauty Mary Lashes. They say these lashes are $25. And these are just the regular glue-on lashes. That's what they look like. Okay. Alright. I think the third month I got lashes from Boxycharm, but we're gonna keep going. What is this? Tarte Sea Wink H2O. That's what the box looks like. And it says Tarte Wink H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. So it's a Tarte eye cream. Okay, I got a lot of eye creams, so I'm not, you know, falling over backwards, but it can't hurt nothing, you know. It can only help these little dry eyes under here. I'm not gonna open it, y'all, because I got 2 eye creams open. I'll just put it in my skincare box. I got to be careful, y'all, when I be buying stuff at Sephora. I found something in my little bucket that I already got that I ain't even used yet, that I already bought another one. So we'll talk about that during the haul. Anyway, this Tarte C cream, how much was it? Did I tell you how much it was? It was $35. And the next thing I see here is a palette. Oh, it's Ace Beauty. I like their little palettes. I really do. Oh, this is what it looks like. I'm too busy getting into it. It says it was $34.99, and it says it's the Falling For You palette. I bet it's gonna be all fall colors. Ooh, ooh, girl. Okay, I'm gonna use this tomorrow. I'm gonna get cute for y'all tomorrow. Look at her. Look at them colors, girl. Look at there. That orange though, that candy corn. Oh, it's got a little bit of mirror. That candy corn right here, this orange. Girl, I wish it would show. This is more true to color. That orange right there, y'all, that is so freaking stinking cute. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, I'm using this tomorrow. All right, Ace Beauty. I see you. I see you. It's just a cardboard packaging too. Let's get it done. 2 more things in here, y'all, and we done with this video. It ain't got to be that long. The first thing I see is a TYNT Lash and Brow Duo. That's what it looks like. Probably show better if I hold it back. Yeah, TNT Lash and Brow Duo. It says it's $29. This duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel. Oh, it's a mascara and a brow gel together. Let's see about this right here. I don't want to put no mascara on my new lashes. Yo, I like these lashes. Shoot, I want to keep them with a little brow gel. That's what it looks like. That looks like it's going to be too light. Whoa, now I done messed around and put some brown lash stuff. Brown brow gel on my black brow. Ooh, maybe they won't dry that brown. Ooh, but them lashes standing up. I mean, I keep saying lashes, y'all. Them brows standing up. What little bit I got, they just like boing, but they brown. I probably could run some black. Some black through there. Let's see what this mascara end look like. Oh, it's tiny. Teeny tiny. I might can use this. Get it up under my little magnetic lashes. Ooh, yes. That's what I get for talking too soon. And won't get none on my little lashes. Ooh, yes, my new mink lashes. Okay, I'm gonna quit talking about these lashes, y'all. But I love these lashes. I want every deeper looking pair. Every deeper looking pair. I forgot the names. I went on there and looked, but I can't remember the names. Okay, let's keep moving. I said I won't quit talking about these lashes. The last thing I got in here is a peel liquid liner in jet black. I know I've gotten these before in Boxycharm, but it says this is $29. $29. Let's open it. I know I've gotten a peel liner in a Boxycharm box a few times before, but if I remember right, the ones I got previously, they kind of dried out quick. Yep, I remember that appeal on the end. Let's just swatch it and see what it looks like. Ooh, that's black. Okay, I am not complaining. I am really thankful. Thank you for this appeal liner. And if it stay where it's supposed to stay, and it's not super shiny, girl, y'all, I'm a happy camper. You hear me? A happy camper. Okay, y'all. I know this video is long enough. I done talked enough. How long is it? It's too long. Alright. I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.